How to add Cash app to Temu. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add Cash app to Temu application. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So first of all, you have to get your Cash app card if you don't have one yet. Open Cash app on your phone and tap the Cash card tab. At the bottom of your home screen, follow the on-screen instruction and you can easily get the card, either the physical one or the virtual card, in order to make the online payments. After that, you can add your Cash card to Temu application. Open the Temu app and you need to go to the checkout screen when you are ready to make a purchase. So on the screen, you can see different kinds of items. You can choose any items and add to the cart. After that, you can go to your card at top right corner or bottom right corner of the screen. And then here you can easily customize the quantity and the size required. And once you open the cart and select the item that you want to purchase, you will get access to the checkout at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap checkout at bottom right corner of the screen and here you have to enter all the credentials like your first name, last name, address search, and the phone number, and you have to check mark the small box. Once you tap the save button, you will get access to the other pages where you can easily select the new payment method and enter your Cash app card details just as you would with any other debit or credit card. Once you have entered the card information, it will be saved to your Temu account for further purchases. After adding your Cash app card, proceed with your purchase on Temu and the payment will be deducted from your Cash app balance. Make sure that you have enough funds in your Cash app balance to cover the purchase. So that is how we can easily add Cash app to Temu application. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.